Hey party people, welcome to Disney Theory. Now I know why you're here, and you know why I'm here. We're here today to talk about Funko Fair Day 6. Alright, cool. Now if you love me, you'll subscribe and like all my videos. I mean, you can really only subscribe once, but you'll like all my videos. It helps out greatly, and I very much appreciate it. And thank you so far for all the love and support you've given me on all of my platforms. You know, my TikTok, my Twitch, my Instagram, my YouTube. Means a lot. Thank you. Because, you know, this is something that I've wanted to be in the place that I am now basically my whole life, you know, and I've been working really hard, following algorithms, watching videos, doing all this other stuff, and I'm finally here, so thank you. So anyways, today started out with something we were all expecting. They started out with some new Office Pops. So we got some Walmart exclusive ones, so make sure to check out for Walmart for these exclusives. We got Phyllis, Creed, Ryan, and Oscar. These are Pops that I don't think we've really seen before, at least I haven't. So I'm glad they're introducing some of the other characters rather than just Michael Scott, Dwight Schrute, Pam and Jim, and then a little bit of Kevin. So I'm glad we're kind of getting a new wave of that. We got some Chalice collectible ones, which I think are awesome. They're the ones from the episode where they were doing the basketball little tournament down in the warehouse. And so you got Michael Scott and Dwight Schrute, and Dwight has that goofy, you know, mask on when he's playing basketball. So there's that, and then there's also the Chalice collectible Chase one, which has him with his shirt off and the funky mask. So I think that these are probably the best Office Pops that I've seen so far. So for the Creed ones, we have a few exclusives. So there's a GameStop exclusive one. There's a Funko Specialty Series exclusive one. And then there's the Chase, which has him all bloodied up, which looks really cool. So we got a few chases with this set, which is awesome. Next up, we got a GameStop exclusive Transformers vs. G.I. Joe mystery box. So you got Optimus Prime, you have Megatron, and there's a bunch of pins and keychains that comes in it, some stickers, because who doesn't need more stickers? So yeah, GameStop exclusive, so make sure you're looking out for that if you're a G.I. Joe fan or Transformers fan, or both. So yeah, we got some really cool new G.I. Joe ones coming out. There's also a Snake Eyes Funko Shop exclusive, and we all know that if it's a Funko Shop exclusive, it's going to be gone within 2 seconds. Now I know a lot of people love this show. I personally have never watched it. But a lot of people want me to, and a lot of people want me to collect these Pops. But I'm not going to collect, I don't collect Pops unless I personally absolutely love the show or movie or something like that. But I will, I mean, if it's Disney, Marvel, or Star Wars, any one of those, I will collect any one. But yeah, I kind of want to stick around like the Disney kind of area, which is why I don't collect a lot of other Pops, but I do have some. Like I have some of The Office, I have some of Soul Eater, I have Naruto, I have Dragon Ball Z ones, I've got, I mean the list kind of goes on, but I've got a lot of like the main kind of anime or TV show ones that I personally really like and have been a part of my life for a long time, so that's why I have some of those. Anyways, onto Umbrella Academy. We've got 9 more Umbrella Academy Pops that just came out, and the one to look for is the Target exclusive one. Now I don't know if I'm saying this right, because like I said, I've never seen the show, but I believe her name is Vanya, something like that. And yeah, that's gonna be the Target exclusive one. It actually looks pretty cool. And then they also came out with a bunch of Umbrella Academy keychains. So if you're into keychains, there you go. There is a Chase keychain, and the Chase is also Vanya. Then they came out with a super-sized Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle pop, and it's Krang. And this one's an Entertainment Earth exclusive one. Then we got a couple Bewitched ones, which I don't believe that we have out yet, so that's pretty neat. Then we got 3 Frasier Funko Pops, and nothing exclusive or fancy with those. And then we got 5 Happy Days ones. And also nothing too fancy with these. We don't have any chases or exclusive with those either. So yeah, all in all for the TV series, some pretty cool ones came out. Nothing that I'm personally gonna go out of my way to collect right now. But tomorrow we do have animation, which there's some leaks and stuff that have come out, and from the looks of it, I want to collect some of those. So I'm pretty excited about that. Some TV shows I wish, or like a TV show specifically, I wish that they would have done Funko Pops with is I wish they would have done That 70s Show Funko Pops. Like I've probably seen That 70s Show 100 times. Love that show. And there's Friends, but there's no That 70s Show. So Funko, if you see this, make That 70s Show pops. That would be awesome. And then another TV show I think everyone would love to see is 7 Deadly Sin ones. And that would be really cool. A lot of people would enjoy that. So there you go. There you go, Funko. There you go.